May the best dart player win. Pleasure to meet you. Ah, there's that little twig. Get out of my way, wench. We need plenty of killing space. We can't have all this trouble here. Don't worry, friend. I shall handle them accordingly. Best of luck. Thank you. I hope. I think. Okay, here goes nothing. Alright, here goes number 2. Okay, here's number 3. Well, not too bad, but I've done better. No, sire, you did fine. Take pride in the fine things that you do.
You
Come on, let's
suck!
get 'em. Yeah. Oh, I should have listened to my mother become a doctor. All in a day's work. Wow, that was fantastic. I'd love to have you on my team sometime. Yes, that would be wonderful. However... Well, congratulations, sir, for winning the dart tournament. Here is your briefcase of 100 smackaroos, all accounted for. Wonderful. Yes, many thanks. This will come in handy. Wow, what a nice guy.
Excuse me.
Yeah, how can I help you?
I'm one of the judges here, and he wasn't never signed up. That contestant was never really a contestant. What do you mean? I mean, he just came and he illegally played, he cheated, and we just gave him the reward money.
Oh, great. What am I gonna do?
I would tell you you gotta clean this up, but apparently, there's nothing to clean up, other than the mess that we're still in with the stolen money.
Mess? What mess? What do you mean, mess? This mess I have to clean up here? Wait a minute. Where'd they all go?
That was some easy money. Yes, I can't believe that worked. With these winnings, we'll have all we need. We can get our supplies straight ahead.
Who's this fool lounging around here?
Get out of here!
Move, peasants.
Excuse me. How can I help you?
I can tell you how you can help me. Yes, I would like $100 of your finest licorice sticks.
Let me see.
Oh, that licorice, I'm so excited. Wait a second, is he seriously buying a whole bunch of licorice with all that money we just stole? I should have listened to my mother and just stayed home today.